Okay, so this is the new ScanStone Panther onion harvester. Just going to have a quick look around the machine. Lighter harvester altogether. It's based on our entry-level machine. What we've done here, we've put an onion lifter on the front. So it comes with some of the usual specs, which we'll go through and have a look at the moment. Cart elevator, obviously, and this is on the GPS as well. So starting from the front, we've got the lane adjuster, and the thing with the lane adjuster on this machine, because it's lifting the onions, or in this case shallots, it auto centers all the time. So when you take your finger off the joystick, it'll auto center, and we'll show you that in the cab in a minute. So that's the lane adjuster. Then we've got the paddle, the square bar and the front web. They're all on individual hydraulic controls, so you can speed up and slow down your square bar, your flap, and also the digging web. The depth wheel carries the digger unit. It comes with manual adjustment on a turnbuckle, and this keeps the square bar just in the right place to guide the crop into the machine. Back here we've got the guards here to guide the crop onto the main web. The idea of the digging web here is that this wide web, which is a longer one and a little bit more expensive, it doesn't run through the soil. So this one's out of the soil altogether, and then this is your little one here. It's not an endless web, it has got a joiner in it, and it's on posi drive as well on hydraulic control. So you've got the turret axles, adjustable stubs at the bottom so you can set the track width, steering's up the top, and your steering sensors here, again on the GPS, John Deere GPS system. This is the cart elevator. This is the new style of ScanStone cart elevator here, and you can see the fingers are higher, they're in line with the flights here, so that's a much better system. Coming in the back, you've just got the transfer web, so the crop comes off the main web, the second web, onto the transfer, and then that evenly guides the crop into the cart elevator. Around here we've got the usual features, LED work lamps, outer markers. This is the turrets again, with the adjustable turret here, so you can bring it in and out, as well as bringing the stub in and out. No wheel drive on this machine, no onboard hydraulics, it's not necessary. You've got your rocker agitator here, knock roller agitator on the first web as well. And then if we have a look in here, we can see our three motors. So you've got the flap here, the square bar runs on a belt drive down to here, and then your main web is on a slightly bigger motor here. Adjuster here, if you need to nudge it across, you can do that, and then when you come off, it'll auto center, and same you can go the other way, immediately let it off and it'll always go back to center. You can disable this feature, but for lifting the shallots, that's going to mean that it's always centralized, and you've got the GPS as well to help you guide. The other functions on the box here, you've got your auto level, HMS on and off, cart elevator, speed, digger web, flap and square bar, and everything's on one simple page there. And then you've got your steering as well, and the diagram shows exactly where the wheels are. So if it's dark or dusty and you can't see the wheels, then you can see where they're meant to be. You've got your grease points here for the bearings on both sides, and then under the guards you've got grease points as well, all in centralised grease banks. Stay tuned to see some more of the ScanStone Panther working in action later on this week.